Who are you calling? Who you call? Who do you say hi? What? Say hi, Dada. I love you. Who's on the phone? Who's on the phone? I love you. I love you. Yeah. Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Yeah, you love him. Where is Daddy? Is he at work? Say hi, Dada. I love you. I love you. Tell him Santa Claus is coming soon. Who's coming soon? I love you. I love you. Who are you talking to? I love you. Yeah? Who are you talking to? Yeah, Daddy on the phone. See, I'm 15 months and I know the phone goes near my neck and I know I want to call my daddy. Because my daddy's my pal. Right, buddy? Who are you calling? Who are you going to call? Mama, open the phone for you? Here you go. Okay, ready? Make a call. Who are you going to call? Who are you going to call? Hi, Liam. Who are you calling? Say hello. Say okay, we love you. Bye-bye.